The following contest is a triple threat match for the Proving Ground Pro Cutting Edge Championship. 3, 2, 1, go. The Brood? It's a Brood knockoff. By the way, that's PGP. I saw you, like I went over there and you weren't there. I know. Introducing first, from beneath the Aztec Temple, Firelord
All right, Grapplemania2, intermission's over, and we are busting into the second half of the show with a cutting edge title match. And first in the ring, the Firelord Draconis, the only that I'm aware of wrestling dragon in professional wrestling today. And meanwhile, returning to the proving ground, the Space Monkey. Unbelievable. Space Monkey collecting bananas left and right. This is unbelievable. We've got a dragon. We've got a monkey. Well, I don't know what our current cutting edge champion, man you're well familiar with, Belakis, is going to think about this. Putting the belt on the line against a dragon and a monkey.
I can tell you what he's going to think about this, Brady. He's going to be pissed, all right?
Well, we saw how mad Mario was earlier.
Absolutely, yeah. I don't even know. I can't even tell you what Blake is probably thinking going into this match. A monkey and a dragon? Did you say he's a dragon?
The Firelord Draconis.
Firelord Draconis.
That says dragon to me all day long. Fire-breathing dragon.
I'll give you that.
And meanwhile, that's an authentic wrestling Space Monkey right here.
Indeed he is. I don't know how to feel about this match, so I can tell you a man that has the temper of Blake Belakis, he's going to be pissed. That's all there is to it.
Practically the founding father of Proving Ground Pro. He has held every title in this company, including the Cutting Edge title twice.
He was the original winner of the Cutting Edge Champion title. Am I wrong or am I right?
He was the original winner.
I thought he was.
When the doors open, he has been here since day one. He has held every title we have, and he won the inaugural Buckley Cup. I call him the Grand Slam Champion of PGP.
And he just threw a banana and smashed it directly off of the ground.
He hates bananas, he hates potassium, and he hates leg cramps. It's amazing because he should love the bananas since hates the leg grabs, but, well, that's Belakis. He doesn't like anything.
He doesn't like anything at all, Brady.
And don't miss that golden spike in his hand either. Believe me, he's made a serious impact with that golden spike ever since he teamed up with it. And he absolutely hates how much these kids love Space Monkey and Draconis.
It looks focused, though. I'd give him that. My game would be a little bit thrown off with a monkey and a dragon. He looks as focused as ever. He looks angry.
Absolutely. And the deck is stacked against him with two opponents. That's, again, we don't always play fair with our champions in the proving ground.
I can see that. I see a repeat pattern occurring tonight with the champions getting toyed with tonight. Is there anything you want to tell me about the heavyweight champion tonight?
I think that's straight up just as we see it. CJ Shine, I don't know if you knew it or not, but he won a scramble match a while ago where the winner would eventually get a shot at the title. He has gone through a lot of distractions in the meantime, mainly with the huge Belakis. So it's taken a long time to finally get around to cashing in the prize of that huge win. But in the meantime, we've got a cutting edge title kicking off right here. And Blake Belakis tried to assault the monkey. He missed and he's in trouble.
Space Monkey saves his banana and puts it comfortably over in the corner while the two men team up on Belakis and throw him straight out of the ring.
And the champ is down on the brick street. And the monkey and the dragon are standing tall. Now the monkey and the dragon are squaring off with each other. Space Monkey rolls over the back of Draconis, but gets set up for a huge, well, it looked like a reverse atomic drop, but he's turns it into a hurricane on the champ, and he's back out of the ring, and the champ slipped on a banana peel out there.
I believe he inadvertently turned it into a Hurricane Rana and eliminated Blake from the match once again, sending him to the outside.
And meanwhile, Space Monkey and Draconis squaring off in a big splash for the big dragon.
And there's the champ again.
And both men wearing shoulder harnesses. The battle of the shoulder harnesses here. Unbelievable. The champ, Blake Belakis, the bad wolf in there against the Firelord Draconis. Oh!
Ooh, that was a back elbow
into the ropes, out, big elbow, big knee right to the back. Draconis is in trouble. The champ's looking good and looking angry.
He is. That was a firm back elbow he threw in there, followed with a nasty knee. He's not playing around anymore. There's no more monkey business to be had, Brady, if you catch my drift there.
Absolutely, Winkle. And I tell you what, Draconis, as far as luchadors go, he is an unusually large luchador. That's a big frame on Draconis. He's taken full advantage. That scoop and that big slam drove Belakis right down to the canvas.
Not your average body slam when it comes to a guy like Belakis. I would say the Draconis easily has a foot on him, so that's a foot.
Oh, double chop right to the throat.
There you go.
Surprise, that'll calm a little of that fire down. Put it out, tape it down a little.
Absolutely.
Lands him into the corner, but a timely move from Draconis. And Draconis scaling the ropes, having trouble finding some footing, but he finds enough to get a big shoulder off the top.
That's a huge elbow off the top right there. Sent Blake halfway across the ring.
And meanwhile, Space Monkey threw a banana peel in the ring.
Oh, he tripped on the banana peel. I don't know if anybody saw that from here, but that was definitely
Belakis saw it. Oh,
jeez.
Space Monkey takes advantage of Draconis and a big drop kick right to the face of Belakis. And Space Monkey ducks under. Oh, takes him down in big fist. Double axe handles. He's ready to blows in on Blake Belakis right now. And comes up with a big drop kick out of nowhere.
Belakis is reeling in there.
Oh, wait, is this a
monkey flip? Original. He does a monkey flip. Blake's reeling in there. Monkey's all over him. He's just.
I'll tell you what, Monkey found his offense, but Blake tried to low bridge him, but Monkey finds the ring apron and a big forearm. That's an arm on a monkey, right? Oh, and there's a big lariat.
All right, he caught him off guard, and the champ is back on top.
And not only a big Larry knocks him down on that apron, and we know that's a dangerous part of any ring, and especially the PGP ring. That's some non-give lumber out there on the apron of that ring, Winkler. You're well acquainted. Oh, he damn near broke the monkey in half.
That was a backbreaker from hell right there, baby. Now he's just adding torque to it.
Laying the punishment in on Space Monkey. The monkey's biting his finger, though, Winkle.
Wow.
Is that legal?
I don't.
It may be legal for monkeys to bite. I don't know.
I don't recall ever being told it's illegal to bite the finger.
Well, it's a monkey, though. I don't. Is it the same rules? They don't tell me things. Winkle. Oh, monkey fight for down below as Blake Edward Belakis was starting to find a little of his offense. Oh, but there's a big haymaker, equalizer, you might say. And there you go, back in the driver's seat. The champ is finding his flow. Up, over, and down goes Space Monkey.
It was a double underarm hook backbreaker. It was beautifully applied.
And look at this, the champ, Blake Belakis, putting the bad mouth on the Space Monkey.
He is too, and that could come back to haunt him. He needs to keep his focus
don't
on
waste
this monkey.
time. Oh,
my
look
God.
at that. That was some innovative offense from Space Monkey.
He was shot about 3 foot up in the air and then caught 2 heels to the face on the way back
He
down.
jacked the jaw of Belakis, and that opened the door for a recuperated Firelord Draconis, who's laying in the axe handles left and right.
Caught Monkey with a beautiful German right in the middle of the ring.
Threw him halfway across the ring, and the Firelord is getting some fire under him. And look at that big boot. The monkey's down, and I think he's out. This could be it.
That very well could have been it if the champ wouldn't have came in with double knees.
Title reign right there. And the Firelord out under the bottom rope. Belakis unable to pull off the pin, but he did save his title. This match continues, and Belakis standing tall in the middle of the ring.
He is, but he's losing his cool. See, he's starting to let the fans affect him. That's something that Blake tends to have happen when he's in a match with sheer chaos, like a monkey and a dragon.
Absolutely, a bad attitude made even worse. And look at this. Firmly anchored. Draconis knows the trouble he'll be in, and Blake snaps it off, and he did. Look at the torque on that. Belakis damn near took it home on that, but the big Firelord Draconis managed to get out from under it at 2. Match continues. Belakis definitely dealing out the lion's share of punishment in this match to both men.
Absolutely. So he's taking a little bit of a breather here, too.
The champ's looking like $1 million in there. And these are 2 serious opponents.
Oh, no, I don't know if you saw this or not, Brady, but the stake that Blake uses in his matches.
Wait a minute. The monkey just replaced the golden spike with a golden banana.
Absolutely. There is a banana in that corner now instead of the spike.
Oh, he's distracted Belakis with some monkey calls. And now he's scaling the ropes, and he climbs past.
Oh my, is he going for a moonsault? Oh, beautiful.
Both out.
Beautiful moonsault. Takes both men out.
And Space Monkey first to his feet. Oh, and a nice shoulder right to the midsection. And another one. He's practically spearing these men right in the corner.
Absolutely is. The monkey is, well, he's got the upper hand right now, that's for sure.
Oh, my Firelord Draconis right into Belakis.
That is another monkey flip that worked
is
as a double advantage.
Well, he's a natural at the monkey flip.
He's going up top.
What's he looking for?
A moonsault again.
A moonsault, a monkey salt. And this has got to be it. A 2 and oh, look at that. The Firelord barely saved his shot at the belt.
Wait a minute.
2 and 7/8.
I have to call a timeout here. Did you just call that a beautiful monkey salt?
That's what I called it.
Okay, I am tired of this monkey business. This is not good for business, as a matter of fact.
Well, I tell you what, if you don't like the Space Monkey, you just saw him driven monkey face first right in the canvas, but look, he saved himself by a toe.
Barely. I don't even know if the ref actually saw it at first.
What a resourceful monkey. And they've got those monkey toes, you know, they can grab shit with their feet.
That was a beautiful palm strike. That's it for the Dragon. That is it. He was palm strike by the champ.
The
and now he's
palm
gonna
strike
return
of
the favor.
Belakis is an absolute weapon. He has won a ton of matches with that. Missed the palm strike, but a nice spinning kick right to the temple. And he has Space Monkey elevated. Space Monkey is going to be in. Wait, an escape
reversal.
for the monkey.
Not a
Flips over. Wait a minute.
Oh, a jackknife pin that turned into a beautiful bridge, followed up by a power bomb.
Oh,
like
what an
Belakis.
escape with the bridge, and this has got to be it to preserve only a 2. That beautiful bridge and power bomb, I thought Belakis had preserved his title reign right there, Winkle.
I
I
definitely
don't
thought
know
that was
how
it.
the monkey got out of that. He's going for the spike.
He's got, no, he doesn't. He has got the banana. The banana that was replaced
He
by the
thinks
spike.
he's got the spike. He's got the banana instead.
And he just realized that it's not the
realized
spike.
it wasn't the spike. Oh, he's taking. The monkey's taking it.
Oh!
Knocked him
Is
with
that
the
legal,
tail.
Brady? He just got tail whipped in the forehead.
And
For the
oh my
win.
God, have mercy. Space Monkey just won the belt.
Oh,
Cutting Edge Champion.
Brady, I've seen a lot of things in my day after a victory. I've seen a lot of things
Bananas are
float into a
flying
ring.
into the ring
But there are
left and
bananas
right.
flying aplenty.
This is absolutely unbelievable. We have a new cutting edge champ. The bananas are everywhere.
This is bananas. This is absolutely bananas, Brady.
I never thought Blake Belakis' title reign would end like this in the middle of a bunch of bananas.
This is crazy.
With the new champ, the Space Monkey, am I even saying that? The Space Monkey is PGP.
I'm hearing it from you, but I still don't believe it. If I would not have witnessed it with my own eyes, I'm speechless, Brady. I am truly speechless. However, the one thing I can say is there is a new champion in space.
Oh, Belakis
monkey.
is down on the. Oh, this is awful. Oh, this is awful. What a way for the champ to go out completely humiliated. What a win by the Space Monkey. Twitter, you're set to blow up.